Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Nepal. This is from YY, and this is a box of samples for the first Meet the Manufacturer that I've done in a very long time. Yeah, this is rad. You want to see what's inside? Let's crack it open. Rad. So if you're not familiar, Meet the Manufacturer is when I contact a company, or they might contact me, and in this case they contacted me, and they've got a bunch of new stuff or a bunch of varieties I haven't reviewed, and I'll pose to them, hey, listen, I can do a series of your products, and all you got to do is send me samples. I'm going to send you a questionnaire, and when you answer that post will come out, then the unboxing will come out, and then one of the reviews will come out. And I'll do that every day, one after the other, up to 15 in a row. And there are pros and cons to it, obviously. Sometimes when I've done them, I've gotten kind of burnt out when I don't like the product. But I've done it, it's been so long, and I think it's time to do a new one. So here we go. First off, this is awesome. A couple YY branded bowls. I'm really a fan of anything like this. So thank you very much. Oh, we got some advertising. I usually ask companies if they've got any bowls or any ads that it can send. This is a neat one. Here's an ad for their spicy cheese and one for their hot and spicy quick. Cool, thank you. So to start off, we have, yes, chicken pizza. This is cool. I don't get a lot of pizza varieties across my desk, and whenever I do, especially when they're from someplace new, I'm stoked. So cool, great. So this is also another CG product from YY. I think this is maybe a different brand by CG. This is Soaltee, I think, and this is a chicken instant. Cool. And a favorite flavor of mine, Tom Yum. And definitely an absolute first for me from the Soaltee range. We have, look at that, asparagus flavor. I'm gonna have to get some asparagus to do this one. Cool. To be honest, I'm not exactly sure what flavor this is. It might say on the back. Sometimes that'll happen. I don't see it, so I'll have to consult with them. But yeah, another flavor. And the one that you saw in the advertisement earlier, this is the hot and spicy quick variety, and it mentions that it's hot and spicy chicken flavor. This one's going to take a little bit of investigation and research. Mutama white noodles. I have no idea what this is. All right, here we go. Dynamite extra spicy chicken. This sounds rad. Yeah. And then here we have a spicy cheese variety. And here's another from the quick range. This is a masala curry. This sounds nice. And finally, we've got this one. This is a party mix, and this sounds really good. And this is the last of what's in the box. And yeah, so as soon as you start seeing this one, you're gonna start seeing reviews of all these different varieties that I've shown you, and bits of info that I've learned along the way. And yeah, cool. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. All right, have a good one. Bye.